Welcome back to the second half of this large match between PHALEE and RINGUI. PHALEE currently leading the game with the solid 3 goals scored by John in the first half. Lonso to Ungshungam, cleared by Waritem. Ungshungam. Now with Ungshungmi for Ungshungam. Ungshungam the skipper for PHALEE, out wide for Waritem. Waritem on that left flank taking on Warringham. And Warringham does well to steal the ball away from the skipper, PHALEE skipper Ungshungam. In spite of his age, Warringham having a splendid game so far here. Warringham, it's a bit of a mess. Made a bit of a mess with that free kick. Ungshungam. Ball won back by Angrit Singh. Now Henry. Lonso is pulled back by Henry, and it's a foul against Henry. Yang Miching plays it short to Kabangkui. Back to Yang Miching. Yang Miching plays it long. Warringham is there. Warringham. Good shields. Good shielding with his body. Concedes a throw in, however. To be taken by Yang Miching. Yang Miching. Again, it is Warringham who comes up with the clearance. Now Ramyao. Had it cleared by Turpum, and it's a free kick in the halfway line for PHALEE. Lonso with a good pass for Muchonring and Waritem, and Waritem was offside anyway, so RINGUI will have a free kick here. Warringham defended by Turpum. Now it's Ramyao. Panso plays it through for Ramyao. Ramyao holding and tucking Turpum and penalized for that foul. Lonso for Muchonring. Kalak does well. Good defending. So 2 changes in the offing for Ungshungam. For PHALEE, and it's Ungshungmi making his way. Ungshungmi will be replaced by Pungriting. The other change is going to be made now as well, and 15 Turpum will be replaced by jersey number 17. Oh, it was a mistake from the photo official, so it is Kapangku who has been replaced by Ngavapmi. RINGUI now on the counter. Yang Miching stay ahead of Panso. Well defended by the youngster. He was the man of the match in the game against the Shah yesterday, and he has also been a bright light in the defense for PHALEE this evening as well. The throw in for RINGUI RAMHON will be taken by Kalak. Kalak looking for Ramyao, and Ramyao will win a free kick of Jihanyo. Few interested parties here. Angrit Singh has made his way across, and he looks the most likely to take this free kick. PHALEE are setting up what looks likely to be a two-man wall. Nichonring and Lanso. Angrit Singh will try to make this free kick count. They haven't had many chances, they haven't been able to carve too many chances, and this type of situations on a free kick is the most viable opportunity from which they can score, and Angrit will look to do just that. Angrit goes straight at goal, and it's straight at the goalkeeper. Ranpai now looking for his elder brother. That's a good take from Taemungjan, the goal scorer. Taemungjan looks for Terpum on the far side. Terpum has time, but it's closed down by just number 14, Ramyao. It's a good block from Ramyao. Terpum with a good take, and he had a clear shot at goal, but Ramyao did very well to get the block in. Corner in. RAMHON cannot clear the lines, and the safe hands of Machut will come as huge relief for the defense. Lanso now dispossessed by Warringham. Yang Miching chooses the safer option and plays it out for a throw-in. Will be taken by Warringham. Warringham looking for Ramyao, and Chinayo will shepherd it out. Jihanyo will shepherd it out of play. Ranpai. Yang Miching plays it out wide to 12. Ngavapmi was come on in the last 5 minutes at left back. Ngshungam asking a lot of Taemungjan, and Kalak gets there ahead of the striker. It's a throw in for PHALEE. Pongwiting, and under pressure from Pongwiting, Kalak concedes another throw in. Waritham to take it. Waritham throws the ball all the way back to Ngshungam, but foul through there on Waritham. Warringham will take it for RINGUI RAMHON. Pongwiting with a good flick on. It was halted in his run by RAMHON player, and it's a free kick for PHALEE. Yang Miching on this free kick. Yang Miching cannot clear the wall. Pongwiting will try to keep the ball alive, but the combination of Yurungam and Warringham clears the lines for RAMHON won back by PHALEE, but Angrit Singh now on the charge. Angrit, the ball taken off his foot by PHALEE defender who was striking back, and Angrit has earned a foul here. Angrit, who went for goal from that acute ankle just a few minutes back, will try to go for goal again from here. Quite a long way out, but it looks like Pantawo, his younger brother, has persuaded his older brother to let him take the free kick, and it is just number 7 Pantawo who will take the free kick instead of Angrit. Panso goes for goal. Oh, the header was on by Ungshungam, and Karanpe had to handle the ball safely to avoid any pressure. Now Waritham played through for Temungjan. Oh, for goal instead of laying it across for Mujonring. Temungjan acknowledging the ball from Waritham. It was a good chance. Warringham now. Up and over, defended by Yang Miching. Kalak. Warringham misses it completely. There's a tuck on Temungjan by Warringham, and Warringham will be very lucky if he escapes the referee's booking. Looks like he has, and Ungshungam Chakoi, the skipper for PHALEE, will try to double PHALEE's lead from this free kick 2-3 yards outside the box. We've seen quite a few free kicks go in this tournament. We will have to wait and see if this free kick from Ungshungam will be another one. Ungshungam straight at the wall, and Ramyaupui, taking no chances, concedes a corner. The corner will be taken by Waritham. So Waritham has changed flanks now. He played on the left hand side in the first half. He is currently playing on the right hand side in the second half, and he will take this corner from the right side. Waritham, it's high inside the box. Pungriting missing the ball completely. Yang Miching puts the ball inside the box again, and amid some pressure it falls to Majut Malung, who collects it, and he will wait for his teammates to collect their breaths again before putting the ball out front. Defended by Jahanyo. Back again from PHALEE. Angrit out wide for Panso and Ngavapmi going for the ball. Ngavapmi getting out on top from that challenge. Ngavapmi still on the left flank, has not been able to keep the ball in play. Warringham, foul throw against the veteran player. Another foul throw against Mujonring. Warringham, by Ngavapmi. Lanso all the way back to his goalkeeper Ranpei. Ranpei plays it to Yang Miching. Yang Miching does well to escape the pressure from Pansawo. Yang Miching has stepped out from his lines, and in the end his pass looking for Chemung Chan lacks the power, so it was defended well, cleared by the RAMHON defense, but PHALEE will come here again through Terpum. Terpum, it's a good cross in, and the header is there from Mechonring, and PHALEE double the lead. What a wonderful cross in that was by Terpum, and Mechonring, who's had his fair chances at goal, finally finds the back of the net, and PHALEE lead the game 2-0, courtesy of 2 headed goals, one scored by Temung Chan in the first half and the second scored by Mechonring, connecting to that powerful header from Terpum. It will be a long way back now for RINGUI, but still there's a lot of time to launch a comeback here. Angrit to throw in for RINGUI, and Warringham will take this. Warringham finds Yungam. Yungam is sandwiched between 2 defenders, and it's a throw in for PHALEE yet again. Yang Miching finds Pong Wei Ting. Oh, Warringham completely misses his clearance, and it's Mechonring now. Mechonring with the ball inside the box for Temung Chan, but the goalkeeper Machut got there ahead of the striker. Ungshungam goes from distance, and wow, what a stunning goal that is. An absolute screamer from Ungshungam. Saw the keeper off his line and picked his spots, and that is a sweet shot from the PHALEE skipper. 3-0 to PHALEE, and maybe that is game over. It's hard to see RINGUI launch a comeback from this one. Pansawo to Angrit. Angrit still with a lot of belief. Yungam launches it long, and here's Ramyape. Ramyape tries to take it on the volley. Ramyape still inside the box. Yang Miching is there to clear up the melee, but an injury on Terpum, and the referee has asked for a stop in play. Lanso, it's a good ball, and Temung Chan is through here. It was a heavy touch from the striker, and a combination of Yungam and Romiao able to defend the threat from Temung Chan, but Temung Chan is through on goal, and if his first touch had been a little bit better, he would have easily gotten his second goal of the game, and PHALEE's fourth. But they have a corner here. It will be taken by Mechonring, the scorer of that second goal. Mechonring. Yang Miching was rising the highest, but a bit of pushing and shoving inside the box, and The free kick is given RINGUI RAMHON's way. Angrit finds Panso with his first time cross was looking for Ramyaope, but it fell straight to Ranpei. Kalak all the way to Yang Miching now. Pungiting. It's a beautiful ball for Waritem with a good cross in. The referee not yet aware of the flag that has been raised on this near side by the assistant, so even if Temungchan had connected well to the cross by Waritem, it would have been offside, so it would all have been academic. Pungiting Ngshungam to Temungchan. So that's his. Temungchan. Oh, it's spilled by the goalkeeper, and in the end, he was very lucky that the ball got stuck under his feet there. Yang Miching clears it only to Yungam, and Panso, who was in an offside position, did not try to go for the ball. Now it's Lanso to Ngshungam does well to escape the pressure from two Ramhon midfielders, but loses out in the end anyway. But the ball in by Ramyaope is a disappointing one, and Ranpei throws it out wide for Lanso for Ngshungam for Pungiting. John Ring will not be able to keep the ball in play, but it's a corner anyway. It was a good ball from Pungiting, the youngster. Played both Temungchan and John Ring on, but they could not take their chance. Good defending by the Ramhon defenders, who concede a corner. So John Ring will take that corner. It's whipped in inside the box. There was a bit of a push at the back of Temungchan, and they're asking for a penalty, but the referee says everything was fine, and he has given a goal kick to RINGUI. Orangam. Throw in on this near side for PHALEE. So we probably have around 10 to 15 minutes left in the second half, and PHALEE are leading this game by 3-0. First goal scored by Temungchan in the 25th minute of the first half. Second goal scored by John Ring 10 minutes after the restart, and an absolute screamer from the skipper Ngshungam to make it 3 for PHALEE. Yungam for Ramhon now. Well defended by Lanso. Back again with Sorepam. Now with Yungam. Yungam lifts it over the defense, but Yang Miching is there. Only till Ramyao. It was a disappointing ball in the end from Ramyao, but RINGUI RAMHON have a throw win. Terpum back to Yang Miching. Yang Miching. Oh, it's a beautiful switch on this flank for Pungiting. Pungiting played it to Warithem. Warithem is taking his time on the ball. Lanso slips on the ball, but still skips with the ball. Ooh. That was a hard coming together between Lanso and Angre. It's good to see that both players are back up on their feet very early. So free kick taken quickly by Yang Miching. He was looking for the run of Warithem, but Waringham does well to defend the pass. Waringham. Above me, Pungiting. Good touch from Pungiting, cleared by Henry. Now it's Worry with him. Warithem on this right flank. He is electric everywhere he plays, on the right flank or on the left flank, but this time it's been cleared by Soripum. Soripum does well. Rampum. Now it's Pansowo. Pansowo was looking for the return for Ramyao. Warithem. Soripum. Temungchan. Temungchan lifted it over on this right side. Terpum. Terpum has the wicket cross on his right foot. Terpum puts the cross in, and Ungshungam is there, and it's a praise for the striker and 2 assists for the wingback Terpum, whose fantastic crosses have slightly been the difference between these two teams. He put in that wonderful cross for Machonring 15 minutes ago, and now he's put in a teasing delivery that has been turned home by Ungshungam Chagoy, who has 2 goals in the game. So 10 minutes to go, and Ungshungam Chagoy finds himself looking for a hat-trick. PHALEE 4, RINGUI 0. An injury on one of the RAMHON players. He has been lifted off from the field of play, and so he has to be replaced. So it is an enforced change for RAMHON, for whom nothing seems to be going right at the moment. Warithem. Warithem plays it back to Terpum. Terpum to Lanso. Lanso to Temungchan. Temungchan for Ungshungam. Ungshungam back to Temungchan. Temungchan finds Machonring, but Machonring had straight a yard or so offside. Maybe he got a little overexcited with the move that was going on between Ungshungam and Temungchan, and made his run a little too early. We're talking milliseconds there. Yang Michon. Yang Miching for Terpum. Terpum for Warithem. Warithem a bit careless there, and Ramyao gets it. Plays it to Soripum. Soripum for Ngavapmi. Ngavapmi is there, and he will let the ball roll out for a throw-in. So the change is made now for RINGUI, and jersey number 12 Mashotwung has come on, and Clark, the experienced defender, has come off. Terpum now. Terpum for Warithem. Warithem Finds the run of Lunto. Lunto on this right flank. Lunto plays it back to Woritham. It's a good ball back to Woritham. Woritham tried to look for 3 of his teammates inside the box. In the end, well defended by the RAMHON.
PHALEE with jersey number 9. PHALEE with jersey number 3 Ramhon jersey number 2 Mr. Clark. Mr. Clark now ball different back by side. PHALEE with defender Mr. Young missing. Defender ball back by Central Alumni. Crossing from side. The flash down. Ahor took the goal kick. Goal kick here with Ramhon jersey number 3 by side. RINGUI Ramhon jersey number